Hello and welcome to this presentation, which will introduce a cloud migration strategy designed to meet three main criteria: enterprise readiness, strategic alignment with key initiatives, and results that meet expectations. We will begin by examining the key assumptions underlying this project, which were developed through interviews with multiple stakeholders. A primary question to address is the prioritization of challenges, particularly those concerning the CIO. Specifically, we need to know how cloud migration ranks among IT priorities, from highest to lowest. We anticipate that competing priorities, such as critical capacity upgrades, disaster recovery, and security enhancements, may delay cloud migration. Additionally, we have explored questions regarding cost expectations and financial strategy. The focus here is on determining the balance between capital expenditures, CapEx, and desired operational expenditures, OpEx. A realistic scenario would involve limited CapEx and a need for OpEx reduction, suggesting a phased or hybrid migration strategy. Our analysis reflects typical industry conditions where such migration projects are necessary. For strategic recommendations, the first approach is to follow a lift and shift strategy. This involves consolidating new workloads in AWS, maintaining existing deployments in Azure, and allowing for immediate cost optimizations. Rather than a big bang, the migration will proceed step by step. Another recommendation is to establish a center of excellence, which will serve as an innovation governance hub. This will standardize the governance framework, enabling more seamless management of resources like users and assets. We plan to implement AI-based RAC technology to facilitate quicker and more accurate document retrieval, especially those relevant to business users. Expected outcomes include significant reductions in downtime year over year, cost savings, and improved system uptime and availability. We will now delve deeper into the lift and shift implementation plan. Initially, new workloads will be consolidated, focusing on non-critical areas such as HR, finance, and industry management to minimize operational risks and gain insights. The implementation will involve using EC2 instances for applications and standard solutions for databases. S3 will be employed for storage strategies, including backups. Existing Azure workloads will be maintained initially, with plans to utilize Synapse, LAX, and Linux applications that remain on Azure. Regarding the Center of Excellence framework, the aim is continuous improvement. Post-migration assessments will help identify gaps in our initial assumptions. Cost savings, uptime, and user feedback will be measured to ensure standard governance. This includes leveraging out-of-the-box cloud capabilities like Control Tower and secure IAM policies for improved user management governance. In fostering innovation, we will enhance IT documentation systems for ease of retrieval and clarity about SLA system dependencies. This overview outlines an operational roadmap in 3 phases, supported by a high-level, macro view of the architecture, which connects users in the US and Southeast Asia. It also highlights current and target implementations, including legacy systems and maintained operations during the migration. The strategic benefits include simplified migrations, significant cost savings, improved reliability, and enhanced information for strategic planning. Ensuring proper change management and benefit controls is key. At WIOS, we have extensive experience, having upgraded over 500 applications, resulting in major performance improvements when migrating from bare metal to Amazon. We possess deep expertise in Azure cost optimizations and bolstering disaster recovery capabilities, with improvements multiplied by a factor of 12. Thank you for your attention.